Black hoods, cops and projects, sewers flooded with foul blockage. The gutters wild and every child watches. Chains and top locks get ripped off hinges. Doors kicked off, drunk stag off, smearing off. Wipe your beard off, crippled dope fiends in wheelchairs stare. Vision blurry, cause buried deep in their minds are hidden stories. Betty's a mirror image of that 70s era. He's finished for the rest of his life till he fades out. The liquor store workers miss him, but then it plays out. So many ways out the hood, but no signs say out. Mental slave house where gats go off. I show off, niggas up north. Prisonology talk till they time cut off. You should chill if you short, preparing deep thought to hit the street again. Get it on, get this paper and breathe again. Plan to leave something behind, so your name will live on, no matter what the game lives on.
Looking out of my project window, looking out, I feel uninspired. Looking out of my project window, I'm looking out, it makes me feel so tired.
Yo, if this piano's the cake, then my words are the candles. Light it up, make a wish, and them angels will grant you. Impatient ones try putting those angels in bamboo. They lit it up, hit it up, now they dismantle. Think the whole world is crazy. Got a nod, watch where you walk. $2 fine, sign of the times. Here in New York, high Satan. United Nations quietly taking toll on your soul. Take it or leave it, just my evaluation. Stack looting guns, teach the girls karate, school your sons not to hate, but to stay awake. Cause the scars a razor make is nothing in comparison to the gas left on this whole mass. If we don't get in control fast, might as well be laughing with Malcolm X's assassin as we die slow, perishing, brain dead from an Erickson. Words are the medicine. 2 teaspoons for goons, a cup of it for those thugging it. Y'all sing the tune,
Looking out of my project window, looking out, I feel uninspired. Looking out of my project window, I'm looking out, it makes me feel so tired.
Another day, another dollar, my mother will holler. She said, go and see the world for myself, and my brother should follow. Pops was smooth from his top to his shoes. Sang the blues, guitar strings he played, smoking his cool through Gilligan hat. Picture this, yo, 70s cat. He wrote his music in the back of the crib. I did my homework. At night, the windows and speakers pumping life out. A fight, people screaming cause somebody pulled a knife out. So I look at this room, I'm hooked to this tune. Every night the same melody. Hell sounded so heavenly, but jail was ahead of me. But speeding like amphetamine. Reading's what I should have done, cause my imagination would run. I wasn't patient to get out and become part of the noise out there. I used to stare 5 stories down, basketball courts, shot up playgrounds, and I witnessed the murders and police shakedowns. Yo, the hustlers and hoes, drugs and fofos. This was the life for every kid looking out project windows.
Looking out of my project window, looking out, I feel so inspired. Looking out of my project window, looking out, makes me feel so tired. Looking out of my project window. Looking out of my project window, I'm looking out, it makes me feel so tired. Staring out my window, oh, I feel so tired. Looking out my window. Oh yeah, makes me feel so tired.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob. What was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard. A nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce. A nigga been drinking. If you with the squad, I give you my heart, little nigga, I mean it. I was fighting some demons in the field, bitch, I'm deep in. I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be sinking. Take your bitch and go deep in, but I give it back while you tweaking. Come around with that rah-rah, we leave you dead on the cement. With the game, we ain't playing fair. Matter of fact, we don't play it all. OG was in the air, but we bout to run till we smoke it all. Putting on the front, boy, you better fall. We don't kill them dead, we don't kill them all. Might spend a 10 when I'm in the mall. I was on the beam with it in my draw. Hit that smoking, I'm blacking. Hit that smoking, I black out. If he run, blow his back down. I was gon' but I'm back down. These niggas gon' fall, but I never back down. In the school I was trapping. In the school you was class clown. Hey, now I'm down to sleep. Yeah, I pray to Lord my soul to keep. Lock me if I got the keys, yeah. Pull up, make all niggas bleed. Ay, I got water like overseas, yeah. Ay, bitch, how about like NBA? Yeah. Ay, bitch, how about like MVP? Yeah. Ay, I got money, they envy me.